Hey everybody, this is Dennis from Elgin Network LLC, or all the mad scientists. Hey everybody at work, why I don't know. Maybe it's because my big shop here that I do all kinds of crazy things. We have a lot of nice stuff coming up soon. I got a bunch of stuff I'm going to show you for this week, and I will be right back to show you. Thank you. Here we go for recording 2. I forgot one of my lights, so everything kind of looked weird. I'm going to go back to everything again, and one of the things I wanted to show you is the new fluke I got. Yeah, I broke down and decided to get it. I've used flukes for I don't know how long. I thought maybe the cheaper ones would be as good as the fluke, but there's still nothing that can compare to it. Another thing I got this week here is this phaser digital radio. This is from a company that is Midnight Design Solutions. You can look them up, midnightdesignsolutions.com. Great digital radios, very inexpensive, and I can't wait to get it together and get it working. I also have, I can't, do I have it up here? No, I guess I hit it. I also have the bag for that, which has the case. And the case is made out of circuit boards that you solder together inside and put the nuts in and solder them in, and it looks really nice. So I got the case with that. Another thing I needed to get was some buck converters because I'm doing some projects. So I picked up a couple of those. They're always good to have so that you can play with different voltages up and down, from a higher voltage to a lower voltage, or from a lower voltage to a higher voltage. Just what these allow you to do. I got those guys. I picked up a nice LCR tester. It's handheld. I wanted to think about getting a bench, but I'm like, well, as much as I use these, I think the handheld's going to be a lot better. So I got this one. It's the ones I heard a lot about. They're module, which means these pieces come off. You can put probes in if you want, or you can use the modules. This one's for testing the individual parts. We got another module here, which you plug in, and it allows you to probe the circuit board. They have tweezer type tips so you can check everything. So that comes with it. And then it's got another type of tester plug with banana on it. Comes with it. And so we've got all that. Got this here. I got a switch for project I'm going to be doing. I've got a terminator, because you need to have those. You need to have a throughput. This is a terminator, is a throughput for stuff. I got a bunch of banana holders that I want to use for different things. One of the nicest things I've got was this nice, what we call a tiny spectrum analyzer, and it looks like the nano VNA or VNT, but it's got different software in it. And what it does is you can set it to certain things to look at the spectrum. So I got that. It actually comes in a kit like this. Get all your, whoop, here we go. Hate when stuff happens like that. But oop, and the pick. You got the long cables here like you have on the other ones. You have a female to female here they give with it. They give you the USB, and then they give you this little pick thing so that you can tap on the screen but it's a pretty interesting little toy. When I turn it on right now, one of the things that it does, and it's doing its job, if you just kind of know what it's doing, is it actually picks up one of the FM radio stations here in the area because it's so close and strong. So that's how good these things are, is they can pick up different things, different areas, what you're looking for. So they're very good at looking at signals. This little guy here, this is separate. This is the wall charger and also wall power for the LCR meter. So I picked that up. That's an extra piece. And what else? Oh, if I can get my other camera going here. Let's see here. There we go. This is the other dash cam, and basically I bought these guys. One does work. One, I have to see what's going on with it. It doesn't seem like it's working. But we'll see. I've got plenty of time, patience, and all the paperwork on them. So that's what I'm going to work on. These are the Google. They're the 1604s, which are 4 channels. I used to work with them a lot. They're great pieces of equipment, so I will get one, if not both, working soon. I also picked up the other smaller right there, Fluke meter. Again, I'm a Fluke fan. I've used them for a very long time. I've also picked up this nice looking Google 100 megahertz. It's a 450. Very nice scope. I'll play with it one of these days and show you how it works. I want to clean it up a little more and stuff, but that is going to be my actual secondary scope to my nice digital scope I got there. I also picked up another power supply. It also has wattage on it, so we can sit there and I got the watts off right now, as you can see, but this is voltage. Voltage, amperage, wattage. You can program it. It's got all kinds of programming keys. So that's one of the things we'll be working on soon. Sorry about that guy shaking it. I think that makes it a little better. But it's a nice little supply. I wanted to get another supply. You can never have too many supplies. Because there's many things you do. Some stuff you want to keep running, but you still need a supply, so you get yourself another supply. Anyways, there's one other thing. Alright, there we go. Sorry about that, guys. There's one other thing I've got. Where did I put it? I have something new. Here we go. I haven't been doing this long enough yet, so I'm trying to get them as sponsors, but we'll see. JLC PCB, they are a great company. They get products done fast. I had one that I had a problem with. They sent it back, and they helped me get the problem solved. But in this case, they make great boards. I like their products. Very inexpensive. And this particular board here, this is for a Arduino, and basically there's a couple parts on it, and then you put a I forget what you call it, socket on here for the integrated circuit, so you can pop them in and out. This mounts on to the Arduino so that you can program the chip on here. So with that, I'm going to be working on these, and they're going to be some stuff that I may be selling. I don't know yet. We'll see. But these are things that I use because some of the projects that are coming up, I want to have Arduinos in. But the thing is, I don't need the whole thing. So, but I know how to program the chips and make the circuits. But this company here, great company. uh, JLPCB. They do a great job. They make great products. It's very easy. You can use almost any uh, design program that you want, from Eagle to KiCad, Fritzing, any of them. Make your drawing up, set up your board the way you like it, save it, and zip it. Go on there, go online, sign up, tell them, here, this is what I want to make. Send up the Gerber files and or the actual zip with the Gerber. They'll analyze it and tell you if it's good or bad, and they'll go into production. And for $2 for 5 boards, again, these are production, pre-production boards, and you can look at them. You can order from 1 board to 5 boards, 10 boards, how many ever you want. So if you think your production board is ready for production, you can order 1,000 right away if you want. Very, very good price. I like the company. Anyways, that's what I've got for this week. I'm working on a project that I'll be videoing and showing you the video on that coming up soon. Hope everybody's had a good week. We're trying to get more and more stuff done in the company, so I've been a little busy with that, with the company itself. So that's what I'm trying to do right now, guys. And I hope everybody's been having fun. It's fall now, and it's nice out. I love fall weather. So anyways, hit the like button, subscribe if you can. I want to build my channel. I got a lot of great things, to show people. I've already done a lot of neat projects. I've got one that I'm going to finish up showing actually it working. And then I got 2 more coming that I'm going to show how to work them. So I hope everybody likes what they see and what I'm doing for them. And hey, try to teach you what all you need and how to do this stuff. And it's pretty easy, even for somebody my age. Very simple. Just got to pay attention to everything. And hey, it's a fun hobby. Doing electronics, computers. I work on lab equipment. I work on ham radio. So, I go through all that stuff with you guys. So, see you later. See you in the next video. And have a good week.